Good morning, guys. I hope you people are well. And today's video about creating a charging point for my EV scooter. So this is very, I can say, the video is after very long because I was busy, and this video also I have shoot a little bit longer period, means 2 or 3 months earlier, I believe, but I was unable to edit it, and this video having some background noise also, so I'm sorry. So I have to give the additional voice anyway. So as you aware about this project, that I have to create some additional charging point for my EV scooter. So I want to get it from directly from the my power inverter or Victron inverter, because it is in lower ground, and also beside this inverter I am keeping my scooter. So first, I have to I am opening the lower panel, which wire connection panel of the inverter. I forget to switch off the inverter. It's still switch on. Let me switch off it. And also, before I connect here, I switch back to grid, because I am going to switch off, so there will be no light loss or anything. Because as you know, if the inverter is switch on condition, it is very dangerous to work with work with it, because we are dealing with 230 volt of AC. So let me switch off this thing. Already I am having a phase selector switch, as I shown earlier. Now the charger is off. Now I am opening the wire connecting panel. Okay, I don't need to switch off the DC part, because DC 48 volt, and I'm not going to work on DC part, or for so it is totally fine, I think. Okay, so I'm not doing that. When I build this cover, chassis or cover, what you will say, for electrical box, it was I'm building a very big one, which is basically capable handle most of the things. But right now I'm thinking it is very small one, because tiny also, because so many gadgets and things are I have kept there. Below there is basically, that is the Raspberry Pi. So you can see, output 1, output 2, and input 1 is there. So this is the output 1. So I will connect additional wire in here. Sorry for my camera and light condition, because the light condition is little bit not good here. Okay, I will try to give you good pic view after connecting the wires. So let me take the wire. Now I have handed over the camera to my son. And so many dust, almost it's 1 years I never opened it. I never did anything almost here. And yes, it's a silent and keep going system, you can say. No problem, nothing I have you know face till now. So let me little bit grab the dust and little bit the spider webs. It's done. Okay, now let me check the voltage, because as you know, we are dealing with 230 volt, and that is very injurious. So I don't know, maybe we are getting some backfeed current from grid. Who knows? So first, let's check it. So it's 0, neutral and phase. Now phase and ground, and neutral and ground. So it's little bit dark, you cannot see, but I have seen it is 0, so no problem at all. Okay, so we can do our work. So I have inserted the wire. It's having the 3 wires like standard, neutral, phase and ground. So I will insert all these 3 wires as per the connection availability of output 1. And also I have to keep remember it has to be very tight, because this is the main joining point. I must say, from here it's providing electricity for my whole home. So I am taking good advantage of it, or it's getting good load also from my home, like washing machine, then induction cooker, all those things are there. Anyway, so I am trying to show you my connection is finished here. So it's very neat and clean connections. Let me open my backlight of camera. I am having some problems to switch it on. Yes, it's on now, so you can see very now clearly. So I have connected according to the, okay, so this is ground, this is main, and left is basically neutral. Yeah, so I am now little bit trying to doing the connectivity checking for the wires. It is showing okay, although I have some curious, I am getting sometime fault, connection fault, like neutral, if I connected neutral and touching ground, not ground, touching the main, still it's beeping. So yeah, it's big transformer is there, tortoise transformer, maybe due to that. Let's have a cross check again. Yeah, it's there, no problem at all. Okay, so my wire continuity is good, so I will fit this frontier uh, relay, timer relay. So what will happen, I want to, so this thing I have purchased on Amazon. So it's cost me almost 500 bucks or 300 rupees, sorry, 500 rupees you can say. So all this type of connector also, it will come with it, is good thing. So I will use both these covers, as I am now inserting the covers, and then I will crimp the clips. So I am having the crimper also with me, because my plan is to do also basically expand this project little bit more. So for that I need crimper and little bit small tool. So I had purchased them for my own, because where I'll get those things. Okay, so I had purchased those things. So the reason behind it, basically, as you know, the this frontier reason behind is to make the charging is little bit on time. Also I want to time fix the time to charging my EV battery, bike's battery also, because overcharge will is not good for any batteries, right? And also this is basically lead acid battery, and the scooty is EV scooty is basically on lead acid battery. So it does not having any lithium battery or BMS, so that it will prevent overcharge, or you can say more charge. So it's very simple thing. So I have to cut off, because as I have checked and think that 5 to 6 hours is basically very good timing, I must say, to full charge the battery. It's not need more. So I want some timer I was looking for some timer so that I can program it, like, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever the days it will apply switch on, and what is the time it will switch on, and what is the time it is going for again switch off. So, and this Frontier timer switch is basically great piece. I have found that automatically it is working very well, and it works on a 3 volt coin battery. But always remember, don't make it on keep it on, this timer on for longer period of time, if it is the main is switch off. So I am marking, the connection has been done now. Wire connection with the leads has been done. I am marking to screw it on my there. So I have a Bose battery operated screwdriver. So I am using a 0. 0.5 or 2 millimeter, sorry, 2 millimeter what I can say, hole making drills or whatever it is, I can't remember the terminology right now. Anyway, so I'm using that. So already I have marked 4 markings for 4 screws and making the holes for them. It is a good tool for like me, who want to do little their work their own, don't want to get dependence with the people sometime. So it is always better. So 2 hole I had successfully made. So another 2 holes I have to make. So it is very simple, you can get it. This screwdriver also from Amazon. I had purchased it from Amazon almost, I think 3000 or 2500, I can't remember the right price. But it is also, yes, almost, yes, almost 2 year. Yes, it is with me. And yeah, I'm very occasionally I'm using it, but it is worth it. Means I am working, getting good work from it. So I have no problem with it. I did not facing any problems. So 4 holes all done quickly. Now, as you know, so first I am trying to push one screw so that other 2 screw can be inserted easily. This is not very good because my screwdriver is basically big. If we compare with the the screws. So again, but right now this thing only with me. I don't having the small one. So one screw is done successfully. So very soon it is not very challenging. Yeah, 2 screw also done. It's easy peasy, anybody can do it, you people also can do it. Yeah, see, only thing is um, what you want to do, how to do it. So you have to think it and you can do it. It is not a very big deal. Okay, we have to do some our own research. We can see some online stuff like videos on something like that, and you can do it. It is very easy. So it is very convenient also, so for me it is very good. And I'm doing my stuff own stuff, like my I don't have to wait for any other electrician or something like that, and I'll have to do that. Yes, I'm not sometimes little bit scary also because it's electrical stuff, but I enjoyed it also. So already I have joined this main plus and my neutral and line, and now you can see that the output of the timer switch. I have connected main and line, and that is basically the ground. So main and line and earthing or ground all has I inserted in this switch box. So it's I have given a switch, and it's a 5-point socket. In this 5-point socket I am connecting, and I will connect my charger, and after connect I can make it switch on, but my battery or the scooty will not charge until unless the specific time will come. So how you like it? Bye bye.